Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get access to Sora 2 for free. And yes, it's completely free and without any invite code. If you have been curious about OpenAI's newest video generation tool, this one's for you. Okay, let's get started. So first, what exactly is Sora 2? Sora 2 is an AI video generator developed by OpenAI that can turn text prompts into realistic, high-quality video. And then you can literally describe a scene in words, and then Sora 2 will create that video for you. It's one of the most powerful AI video tools out there right now. And then now officially you can access Sora through the OpenAI websites at the sora.com like this. But here's the catch. It's currently in limited beta, which means you will need an invite code to use it like this. Also, it's not available in every country yet, but don't worry, I have got a working alternative where you can try Sora 2's feature completely free. And here's how. Just open your browser and then just go to sora2.cloud like this. And once you're there, just log in using your Google account. Just sign in. After logging in, you will automatically receive 10 free credits like this. And then its video generations will cost around 5 credits, so that's enough for at least 2 video tests. Next, on the main dashboard, you will see a prompts box like this. This is where you can type your video idea, and then you can also upload an image if you want to use it as the first frame of your video. But in this tutorial, I will just use a text prompt, so I will type a prompt like this. And then just choose your durations, and then you can choose HD quality, but it will add plus 2 credits. And then just choose your orientations. In this tutorial, I will choose landscape like this. And when you're done, just tap on generate video. And okay, like this, your video is done. Let's try to play. Like this. That's pretty impressive, right? Even though it's not the official OpenAI site. Sora 2.cloud lets you experience what Sora 2 feels like, and it's completely free and no invite required. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!